That works. I'm not going to be using the run for it since they're so little.
We're going somewhere to get our baby chicken, and we doing something, and this stuff right here, this is the stuff, poop right here.
Oh.
And inside of there,
You got it cut with your CRKT knife.
Yeah, and that's a coolest knife ever.
That's the coolest knife ever.
Nice. And you know what that is? This is D-wall.
It's a D-wall. Pretty cool.
Push hard.
Keep that bit straight too.
Yep. Oh, you gotta push hard. Yep.
Oh.
Here, Daddy will help you. Okay. Whoa, that was fast. Scoot the dirt up against the bottom so no air comes through the bottom. I'm just checking out where the direction of this heat lamp's going when the lid's closed and tightening it up.
Can you see me?
I can see your hand a little bit.
I can see you through there.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh.
Heat lamp is warm.
It is?
Yep.
Cool.
And you
You're sleeping? I caught a chicken asleep for the first time, dude.
Whoa!
The chicken's sleeping.
Whoa! Aha! Woke me up!
Look for chicken. Squat on your feet. We'll put the water on this. What you doing, Frank? Look at that tail, man.
Yeah.
Little babies.
Ooh.
Can I see Daddy?
Right over the wood.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
Let me get this
No, it's pretty cool.
cute
I
little
still definitely
bunny.
like the black ones.
We'll bring this box just in case. People might say we're crazy for driving 40 minutes away to get 3 little baby chickens, but man, them things are like gold right now. Bunch of cows. We're almost there, guys. Hey, little chickens.
Hey, little buddies.
Hey, little buddies.
Oh, it smells like cow poop.
Not that much room.
We're gonna both make it. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Wait, can I see the brown one? Beef. No. Beefy.
Don't burn your head.
Hey.
Hey, little chickens. Gotta check on our chickens. Daddy will get. Ooh, they know where the light is. That's good. That one's got a little white dot on its head.
Daddy, you want to film my scooter trick?
Woo!
Daddy, want me to show you this? I know how to do a better one. Ready?
Pretty good.
Daddy. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that was awesome
Watch
too.
this.
And I can do this.
Daddy, watch. I'll show you this.
All right. Yeah, I saw you jump up there.
Huh?
Pretty good.
Dad, you should put that slow motion.
Slow motion.
Yeah. When you edit.
Oh, you got to jump. Put your arms out.
Ready?
Yeah.